MRecktv.
Bring back the man in you, not because you need to, but because you will want to. Improve your weight room and bedroom performance with the all-new VasoFlux for Men Natural Dietary Supplement. This unique blend of barks, roots, herbs, and vitamins is nature's way of keeping you in the game. And all for under $10. You can order yours today. Visit Youth Fountain Laboratory at youthfountainlab.com or call 1-800-853-7856 today.
And guess what? Luck just got ya blocked. Stupid. Like, Luck, stop sending your cousins to my page because you lost. You got dragged. You got dog walked. Everybody knows you got dog walked. Yeah, the battle is on the app. That's what I wanted to go live and tell you guys. The battle is on the app. It just dropped just a few minutes ago. Miss Hustle versus for me. So bossy as ever. You know that 3B. You wanna go out with me? Tell my boyfriend. See how he feel. Your cousins is the key. For real, like this got like 12 different fake pages. Her ex-girlfriend told me got 12 different fake pages and like I don't got time for it. You feel me? Stop playing with me if I wind up beating you up in real life. And we just want to keep it cool. Listen. Y'all ever heard of like scandals that's put together to bring certain things to the public eye? Rum can tell you. Me and Rum is homies. It ain't nothing with me and Rum. Like, y'all wildin' the fuck out. Like, chill out. Chill out. Be cool. You in my business? Don't do that. And that was how many years ago? Cut the bullshit. Like, we was never together. But you in my business? Don't do that. Betty, don't do that. Yeah, I don't like Rock, but Rock never said that. So stop playing with me on my live. Go play with your mother. Go play with your kids. Feel me? Rock never said that. I can't stand him, but he never said that. And he know he never said that. Cause that's cap. I'm tired of you. I'm crying. You in my business. Don't do that. Yeah, trying to start like cut it out. Rock never said that. I know he never said that. Let's stop it, okay? Do I think I beat Luck? Do you beat your kids? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. Do you beat your kids? That's what y'all need to be worrying about. Fetty, don't start your shit now. Okay, hold on. Let me go live with you. Okay, since I didn't beat her. You tell me what you loved about it. And if you decline it, I'm blocking you. Come on, baby. Because you talking too much in my comments. You talking way too much in my comments. If you decline it, I'm blocking you. And if you do decline it, I'm going to pull your picture up on my other phone and I'm going to flame you because I'm quite sure you're a bum. So, yeah. What? Let me hear the bars. Let me hear the bars that you like.
Listen.
No. You listen. No.
Let's hustle.
No. You got 5 seconds. What is the bar that you like? Oh, I'm hanging up.
Which one?
I'm asking you, like, cause you in my business. Like,
I'm not in your business. I just looked at the battle.
Let me hear it. What? All right, you stalling. What's the bars? You stalling. Yo, you
What
stalling.
boss?
Bye, Goofy. Bye, Goofy. You just talking to be talking. People that said I want to battle, they know my bars. They could quote my bars. Stop playing with me. Goodbye. Don't embarrass yourself, please. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta stop. We not even... Okay, you want my business? Don't do that. Yeah, he just want attention. Don't do that. Betty, and I'm not staticky. These people are just crazy. Like, we ain't even give him a chance to think, because if you popping shit on my live, you gotta know the bars that you love from Shorty, from that lady. Like, you gotta know. Cause guess what? If I pull one of the many motherfuckers that said I won, guess what? They gonna know my bars. For real. Like, it's just that. Goofy gang. Facts. Gang. I'm quite sure if I bring you on my live, you know my bars. Okay? Come on, stop playing with me. What bar you like? When she said, I put Big Bird in the trunk like Snuffleupagus. Stop playing with me. Y'all better stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. For real, stop playing with me. Like, put Big Bird, put Big Bird in a trunk like Snuffleupagus. Like, update your style, bruh. Bye. At this point, you just want attention. Bye. Upgrade your style, literally. You're a bum. Bye. Yes, trash. Like, the f be wrong with these people. Let me see. She was rapping them cartoon. For real, what she said? Damn, what else she said? I got felonies, Ebony, or some shit. Oh, man, I don't know. I gotta rewatch it. Her second, though, let's talk about it. I loved her second. All that other bullshit is trash. She lost round 3. She admitted she lost round 3. She lost the f*** out of round 3. She lost round 1. And if you would give her any round, a sympathy round, whatever, it'll be 2. Like, that's what I'm saying? But stop playing with me. I acknowledge both. I acknowledge the love and the hate. This is entertainment. Y'all don't make me mad. Get it?
Peace, world. This is M.Reck for MRecktv. I got those M.Reck t-shirts. I got those M.Reck hoodies. And I got those exclusive Rec Mob wears available now at the official store at teesprings.com/MRecktv. Shop today, or you can call, better yet text me at 390-598-2974. Peace, double deuces and bubble gooses. I'm gone.
Yo, wait. This M.Reck content is sponsored by yours truly. Tone Styles, Chi-Town, Holy City, stand up. Something to Prove album out now on all streaming platforms. And like the big homie M.Reck say, double deuces and bubble gooses. I'm gone.
You're the plug and such. You a joke's bound to happen if you slipping or you lacking. I'm gripping on the Mac-10, ready for the action. Shots will make you break dance and have you do a backspin. I got more kicks than karate flicks. My whole team pushing Maserati whips. You on IG liking thotty pics. Shorty pocket broke but her body fixed.
Peace, world. To promote your music or promote your business by placing an ad on MRecktv, contact MRecktVpromo, MRecktVpromo @gmail.com. Peace. Oh yeah, subscribe to MRecktv, youtube.com/MRecktv. I'm gone.
MRecktv. Let's cut the music.